There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby, sing on back.
Hello YouTube, it's me again. I still like that, what was it, Megadeth album where I think Dave Mustaine puts in one of his songs is, "Hello me, it's me again." Or something like that anyway. It's a, what do you call it, Megadeth song. But anyway, this video is about my Diacro table. Basically in here, you can't really see it close, but there's a 1-inch nut welded in here, and I welded it mostly to the corner here, and then I didn't get fancy. I didn't want the holes open in there. I don't know why. It didn't make a difference. Nobody's ever going to see it, but I just had fun. I just plastered a bunch of welds in there and just kept going. I filled all the holes. It's not pretty, but the bolt's in there, and I'm basically screwing bolts in here. Well, this is all of my Diacro finger. They're not even straight either, which is kind of funny. It holds perfect, but I didn't think oh yeah, maybe I should level it when I do it. But you know what, I eyeballed it, and apparently my eyeballs are crooked, so you know. So yeah, what I'm doing is just going to screw these all the way down, because that's all I have to do tonight. Basically, I'm going to do this 4 times on video, because yeah, I got nothing better to do tonight. I'll show you what I'm doing. But I mean, I've seen longer videos of people do some other dumb shit, so there. This is my, what do you call it? Yes, this is a no-name brand of pliers. I don't like them, they're cheap, but I'm using them for a welding project. So, why destroy good locking pliers when you can destroy a Tractor Supply set that I got for, I think it was $5.99. Yeah, put that one on there. This one way over here. Let's move it over. Just move it over a bit. While I'm doing this, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do. If you haven't left some horribly interesting comment, like first, second, or third, you really should. Watch the whole video. Half the video, doesn't really matter. I'm not monetized, so you don't have to watch the whole thing. If you like my channel, thanks for watching. I think I'm doing all kinds of shit on this channel. But I made this bench out of basically scrap tubing and some scrap angle for the bender that's sitting next to it. My daughter's excited because she gets to use the Diacro bender probably more than me. So it's not staying right here. Obviously, it's in front of the door. So I put the bolts in here just because it's like, what, $10 for the bolts. I didn't feel like putting something that's going to break. Obviously, these bolts are not going to break any, probably in my lifetime, probably 3 lifetimes. And that's pretty much it. I'll pause it and I'll put the bench upright and show you. Well, yep, this is the other side of the table. I found a scrap sheet of plywood, cut the holes, drilled holes in here. First I drilled them and I had the wrong size bolts. The bolts I got, talk about scavenging shit. This is a piece of plywood that was going in the garbage. These were, I don't know what the hell this were. It was a big giant metal frame that I cut off all the angle brackets, cut the frame. I had exactly enough to do this. And I didn't have enough to do the middle part, so I put angles. The angle brackets were actually welded to these big pipes. It was like a square window frame with angle brackets welded in there. The bolts I scavenged off of a carport that got destroyed across the street at my wife's cousin's and flipped over. I said, "You want me to go pick it up?" So I took all the bolts out, put them in a little bag, and put all a nice little pile for it and left. And I got a whole bunch of bolts I use for all kinds of stuff. So I had to countersink it a little. It's not perfect. The other problem is when I welded it together, I heard I was welding it, and I guess I didn't weld it in the right order. Whatever. I'm not an expert. Plus, I don't care. But, what do you call it? The hell was I saying? Oh, yeah. So I heard a big loud ping, and so it's got a little rock to it. But you know what? I got leveling bolts on the bottom, so who cares? And the other thing I did, which was stupid me, by the time I drilled all the holes in here, I forgot to clamp the top down really tight. And when I drilled it, it kind of wobbled and moved. So this side is off like a 1/4 inch, the other side's not a big deal. I don't really care. But I didn't feel like cutting a whole new piece of plywood out. I don't have another piece. That's all I got. And this is the finished Diacro finger brake table. It's going to go over there where my beanbag is because, one, I can't put it in front of a door. I can't put it next to me because there's a M274 military mule. Google it, you'll find out what it looks like. There's also an Austin Mini here, and there's all my welding machines in front of the door. If I put it over there, it's 350 pounds, I gotta move, and that mule's gotta come out. So I'm putting it way over there, because eventually the mule is gonna go somewhere, and the car is gonna go somewhere. The car is going to storage, the mule might go back there, and I might use all this for whatever. You'll see it if it ever happens. But yeah, plus I figured putting it behind me where I might usually see me standing on video, because when you want stick some out the back, there's more space out the back. So I got like at least a couple of, maybe 2 or 3 feet behind it if I need to. Not that I'm going to be bending stuff 3 feet long, because I'll only be able to bend one side of it on the 24-inch brake. So I'm guessing the only thing I'll be bending is 24-inch by 24-inch pieces of metal, unless I have something long that just needs one bend. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, and oh, check out the fellows listed below, and I have a Teespring thing. Arco told me to make. I asked him where to get stickers done, so I made a Teespring, and apparently you can do everything on there. So check it out. I have some pretty weird shit on there. Enjoy. Where's the button now? Can't find that button. Hello YouTube. I turned on this light. I have no idea why. Yeah, that's probably better. Yeah, I'm putting the bender right here for now. I have to move the stack of chairs because I can't get in the back there. There's the beanbag behind it. Should be fine. It should be good right here. Or I might put it sideways. I might put it over. I don't know if you can see this. It's going to take a little cleaning here, but I might put it right here. Just kind of block it off. I don't know. But for now, I got a 350-pound machine that's got to go somewhere, and right here in my little cramped mess, yeah, I will clean it up eventually. Don't worry, it's coming. But anyway, for the time being, I'm going to either put it there or move the Sears thing. And I mean, there's nothing really there on the floor. I could just squeeze it in there, kind of a little nook. And yeah, I should probably clean up the top of my stuff. I would like to take that shelf out in the corner, put something new. But the Diacro is going here. I'm going to put a little... I'm thinking I might put some sheet metal on the outsides, on the back. And maybe put a piece of plate steel on the bottom. And put some shelves in there or something, so I can put some stuff that's on the floor in there. And that's pretty much it. The bender thing. Why do I look like I'm like fucking pregnant on TV, on video? Anyway, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So that's all good. I need some more lighting. Other than that, I got one more video to make tonight, and that's all I'm doing for tonight. So thanks for watching. Check out the folks below, and like and subscribe. You'll hear me say like and subscribe in every section of my video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Enjoy. Oh, and every time you see me click this, it's my fancy little mic. You can hear me all around my garage. It's pretty cool. Anybody want to buy a good mic? Buy one of these. It's really cool. Plus, you can start and stop videos. See that? Bye.